Come up. Let's play Zakir Naik's video together. How about that? Come up live and I will play Zakir Naik's video together. Do you want to show Zakir Naik's video where he says, it does not matter if Muhammad agreed and Aisha agreed. Who are you to say anything to them? Hey, Aisha did not even agree. I just showed you. Aisha didn't even know. He was dragged inside and she was handed over to Muhammad. She didn't even know what's going to happen to her. She didn't even know that tonight she will be molested by a 53 years old guy. Is that video that you are going to show me? The liar Zakir Naik? Okay, Mustafa Speaks is going to tell us that Aisha. Okay, Mustafa Speak, this is the topic. Before you come up, remember what the topic is. You have to give us a hadith from Kitabus Sitta that Aisha was masturbating at the time when Muhammad had sex with her. There you go. Come up. And make sure you are not drunk right now. Let's see that. Come on. Let's see if your brother Mustafa can give us a hadith on that. Alright, Mustafa. Give us the hadith. Which would you
All
like?
right. All right. Hello, Rob. Chris. I'm sorry. I mean Adam.
I'm
So,
you don't come here drunk, brother.
okay,
But
okay, okay.
okay, so which hadith should
Listen,
I open?
okay. Listen. So you're quoting this hadith, Sahih Al Bukhari 6130. So
Mm-hmm.
basically, it's saying that Aisha used to play with the dolls, and according to Fas Al Barri, Aisha had not reached the age of puberty at this time. Now, what proof do you had that Aisha was 9 years old at this time? Because I have
Okay.
Fas Al Barri, Ibn Hajar quoting someone else
Okay.
who does not
Okay,
even
listen.
agree that
You
Aisha.
asked me a question, let me answer. Hold on.
Okay, bro.
I have Sunan Abi Dawud
I know,
2121,
I know.
Hukam Sahih. I have Sahih al Bukhari 5134,
Okay,
which is also Sahih. I have Sahih Muslim 1422, which is also Sahih. I
okay,
have Sunan an-Nisa'i
okay.
3255, which is also Sahih. I
Listen.
have Sahih al-Bukhari 5133, which is also Sahih.
Mm-hmm.
I have Sahih al-Bukhari 5158, which is also Sahih, that Aisha was 9 years old when he consumed the marriage and she was 6 years old when he married.
Mm-hmm.
Sahih
Mm-hmm.
al-Bukhari 3896. And I have so much, like, imagine this scroll. You
Mm-hmm.
see the size of the scroll, how small it is?
Yes.
This
Mm-hmm.
is how much evidence do I have. Can you bring me the other
Mm-hmm.
evidence?
Okay, now
Thank
I
you.
want listen. I want you to go back to the hadith, and I want you to read where it says that Aisha had not reached the
Man,
age of
listen,
puberty
I
at this
don't
time.
want that. I just want you to
Listen,
give
no,
me a
listen.
hadith.
Read the hadith.
Hey, listen what
The
I'm
other
saying.
part. Oh,
Listen to my
listen, I'm
question.
trying to show you
Listen to my
something.
question. Listen to my
Listen,
question.
go back to the hadith.
Okay, listen to my question. Give me a hadith from the Kitabus Sitta that Aisha was masturbating when she got married with Muhammad. That's all I need. That's my question. Do you have yes or no? Give me that.
Are you gonna let me talk, or are you gonna mute me again?
Do you hear the question,
Are you
Mustafa?
gonna let me talk, or are you gonna mute me
I
again?
will let you talk, but do you
You don't
understand the
understand that.
question?
And let's
Do
listen.
you understand the
It
question?
makes no sense. Now,
Okay. Once again, I muted you and I'm going to throw you off because this is what you are. I asked a question. Do you have it? Yes or no? If you don't have it, say you
listen.
don't have it. If you
Who
do
said?
not have it, then say that you do not have it. Otherwise, give me a hadith from the Kitab Sitta that when Aisha was married to Muhammad, she was masturbating. That's what I'm asking.
I can give you the hadith by the same person, the same
From
person
the Kitab
according to this
Sitta,
hadith.
from the
Yes,
Kitab Sitta,
listen,
from the Kitab Sitta that she was masturbating.
listen. The
From the
same.
Kitab Sitta
Are you
that
gonna let
she
me
was
speak? Are you gonna let me
masturbating.
speak? Or are you gonna keep
I
talking?
don't care to what
Are
you are
you
going to
gonna let me speak?
say.
Are you gonna let me speak? Or are you
I don't care if you give me something
now
written much
listen? The
later.
same
Give
person
me
in
from the
Muhammad who
Kitab
quotes the
Sitta.
hadith says that when a girl reaches the age of 9, she is a woman. Ibn
Okay.
Hajar also states that Aisha hid
Do you understand
when
what
she
I said?
became 9 years old.
Did you read what I said? Did you understood what
Explosive.
I said? Okay. Okay. Mustafa, read, listen to what I'm saying. I need you to give me a hadith from Kitab Sitta that Aisha was masturbating when she had sex with Muhammad. That's all I want. Do you have it? Yes or no? Salman, Salam, finally you are here, or Saim. I don't know who is Saim. Who are you?
Yes,
You are
would be
Salam.
one.
Yeah, Salam, hold on, buddy. Let me finish with Mustafa and then I'll speak with you. Hold on. You are pretty late. I told you 5 minutes. You are here like after 90 minutes. So hold on. Okay, Mustafa, you are back in. Now you have the question. Do you have the answer or you do not have it?
Give me the answer.
Once again, give me the answer. I have asked the question. First, say that I do not have the hadith, and then I will go further. Say it that you do not have any hadith from Kitabu Sitta which can say that Muhammad married Aisha and she was menstruating. Yes or no? Then go forward. Adding. Yes.
You're
Yes
asking
or no?
about puberty. You want me to give you the hadith that Aisha was
From
9 years old when she hit puberty, correct? That's what the
from
hadith is about.
Kitabu Sitta
Now,
that she is
listen, the hadith is
menstruating.
quoted in Sahih al-Bukhari.
Once again, he's going left, right. Give me the
Now,
link.
I want you to
I
go
will
to
show
Fas
you.
al-Barri. Stop running from it. Go to Fas
Once
al-Barri.
again, what did I said? What did I said?
Go to Fas al-Barri.
Okay, you are stupid idiot. So now, look what's happening. He wants me to go to an additional book which does not have any chain of narration to accept and acknowledge what this idiot is going to say. Okay, let me add him. Okay, now,
The
Mustafa,
hadith you're
give me the
quoting
link.
says
You
Fas
idiot, give me the
al-Barri.
link. I did not quote it Fatal Bari. I quoted
So,
Sahih Muslim. I quoted Sahih Bukhari.
the hadith you quoted says
I quoted Sahih Bukhari. I quoted Sahih Bukhari.
Adam, go back
Explanation.
to
Hold on. Explanation of which.
Adam,
Hold
go
on. Hold
Adam,
on.
go back.
Hold on. Hold on. Shut up and hold on and listen. Otherwise, I'll have to remove you so that I could finish
Adam,
my
go back
sentence.
to the
Okay. So now listen. I quoted you Sahih Bukhari, and from Sahih Bukhari, why she was playing with dolls. That was explained in Fathul Bari. The hadith was not Fathul Bari. Hadith was from the Kitab Sitta from Bukhari. Now, once again, from Bukhari, the hadith says that she was playing with doll. Fathul Bari is explaining the hadith that she was not reached the age of puberty. If you can say that you do not have anything in the Kitab Sitta, fair enough. I will go to wherever you want to go. But tell me, state it out loud, be a man more than Aisha and say that in the main Kitabu Sitta you will not find it. That's all I want. That's all I want. Okay. So say
You're running away. Now, let me explain to you.
no, forget the
Listen,
explanation.
no,
First give me
listen,
the
listen. You
answer.
can't
First
show
give me
me
the answer.
anywhere.
Give me the answer. You do
You
not
can't
have
show
it. You do not have it
me
in the Kitabu
that
Sitta.
Aisha did not reach
You
the
do
age
not
of
have
puberty.
it in Kitabu
Now,
Sitta. Yes
you
or
don't
no?
have it. You
You
don't
do
have
not have idiot. Do you have it in the Kitabu Sitta that Aisha was masturbating? Yes or no? Just say no and I will go wherever you want me to go. Mustafa, say you don't have it and I will go in whichever book you want me to go and I will go. Say you don't have it in the Kitabu Sitta. Say it. Say it.
Are you gonna keep playing games?
I want you to
I'm
answer.
asking, no, no. I'm asking
Say
a
it, you do
question.
not have it. Say it, you do not have it.
Are you gonna keep playing games?
Say it that you do not
Are
have
you
it.
gonna
Why are
keep
you?
playing games and let me?
Let me talk to somebody who's more mature than you. All right, Salam. What's up, man?